In this video, we'll see how to reverse a given number and print that reversed number. If you need the original number, you need to declare a variable called temporary variable. Maybe here in temp is equal to n, you can store it so that you can store that particular original n value and it can be displayed here. Suppose the reversed number of percentage d is equal to percentage d. You can give like that and we can display both the numbers. So we have got the number, we have stored it in temporary variable, and using while loop what we are going to do is we are going to separate each of the digits from the original number and we are going to reverse it. The reversal process is happening here. This one line actually reverses the given number. So first one is finding the getting each digit of the number. Second one is removing the digit which we got already, and the middle one is we are reversing the number. So this while loop is actually the main process which is happening here. Now let's see if n is equal to 829. So in first iteration, n is equal to 829. 829 is greater than 0. In remainder variable, we'll be getting n mod 10. When we are doing modulus of a given number with 10, we are extracting the last digit. That means 829 mod 10 is actually 829 divided by 10. The remainder of that division, we'll be storing it as a remainder variable. So when you divide 829 by 10, the remainder would be, which is equal to 9. Then in reverse variable, what we are going to do is we are going to like, since we are getting the digits from last to the first we'll be getting the last digit of the number, so that will be assigning it as the first digit of the reversed number. So here the formula is reverse into the reverse variable into 10 plus remainder variable. So what happens here is reversed variable, it is assigned as 0 into 10 plus remainder variable is 9, that is the last digit. So 0 into 10 is 0 plus 9, which is equal to 9. So why are we doing this multiplication here is that to consider the unit position, tens position, hundredth position, to consider all those positions of the particular digit, we are multiplying it by the number 10. N will be equal to n by 10, that is 829 divided by 10. Taking the integral part alone, we get the number 82. Next, n is equal to 82. 82 is greater than 0, that is true. So in remainder variable, we'll be storing 82 mod 10. We get the last digit, that is 2. In reverse variable, we'll be storing, that is the previous reverse variable value is 9 into 10 plus 2. So here it is 90 plus 2, which is 92. So now we understand multiplying actually pushes the variable, or will be adding a new position to the already existing value. So if before the number was only a single digit value, that is this was a single digit variable reverse value. When you're multiplying it, now it becomes a double digit value, and it becomes eligible to accept a new digit to its last position. So when you're adding it, this particular digit will exist here. There won't be any change in the value. That's why we're multiplying it 10. So now the value is 92 and n will be equal to 82 by 10, which is 8. In third iteration, n is equal to 8 and 8 is greater than 0. In remainder variable, 8 mod 10 is equal to 8. And in reverse variable, we have the old value as 92 into 10 plus 8, that is 920 plus 8. So we have added a new 0 by multiplying it with 10, and we are adding the next digit. So we get 928. N will be equal to n by 10. So it is 8 by 10, which is 0. Now in the fourth iteration, n is equal to 0 and 0 is greater than 0. That condition fails. It comes out of the while loop. Now we have the reversed variable, reversed number as 928. So the initial n value which we gave was 829. Now the value has been reversed. Let's run this code and check. So it is 829. 928 56897 79865 that has been reversed. In Java, the same process we are doing it there, like in while loop. Instead of n greater than 0, we'll be checking n not equal to 0. That means when this iteration comes, when n is equal to 0, 0 not equal to 0 condition will fail and it will exit the while loop. It won't go beyond 0, that is in negative numbers, because once if it gets equal to 0, it will come out. At one point, it will become 0. So when it becomes 0 like that, it will come out of the loop. So that is one thing. If we can give either n greater than 0 or n not equal to 0, anything is fine. And other than that, only the Java syntax is differs. Now let's run this code. 65432, you get 23456, and 4589, you get 9854. So this has been reversed.